right. Okay, good day, everybody. Okay, let's see what we're going to do today. It's going to be, we're going to try to use an LCD. Here's an LCD. This is a 1602. And it's got an adapter, so you only have 4 wire instead of all of this one. Okay, there we are. We're going to display the value of a DHT11. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to plug the DHT11 in here with the positive. There is a positive. And you can see positive and negative. Yeah. Then we're going to plug it on a pin D5. So now, sorry, passing front. D5, and the middle pin is for D5. Then we're going to plug the LCD on the voltage. Black is ground. And then we do brown first. It's a D1 is a SEL, and then white, which is SDA. Okay, now we plug it in, and we're going to upload the codes. See the result. Still uploading. There we are. Now we have the 10.10 or change 69 all the time. And then we have the humidity connected to that. So okay. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Have a good day.